At least 9 people were killed and more than 1 million were evacuated as Cyclone Remal approached the coasts of eastern India and Bangladesh, making landfall late Sunday. The storm hit near Bangladesh's Mongala port and India's Sagar Islands in West Bengal with wind speeds up to 135 kilometers per hour. Landfall began around 9 p.m. in India and continued for about 5 hours. In Bangladesh, 7 people died in various regions, while Indian media reported 2 deaths in West Bengal. Bangladesh evacuated 800,000 people from 9 coastal districts, and India evacuated 150,000 people from the Sundarbans mangrove forest. Kolkata airport suspended operations and schools were closed. The Indian Coast Guard and National Disaster Response Force were on standby and clearing roads. The storm uprooted trees, damaged houses, and breached protective embankments in the Sundarbans Delta. Power outages affected millions, with numerous reports of damaged transformers and uprooted electricity poles. By Monday morning, Cyclone Remal weakened to a cyclonic storm with wind speeds of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. Kolkata Airport and Indian Railways resumed operations, but authorities advised residents in affected areas to remain indoors. The storm is expected to move north-northeastwards and then northeastwards inland, gradually weakening further. Cyclones have become less frequent but more intense due to rising temperatures. A NASA report predicts an increase in severe cyclones in the northern Bay of Bengal, impacting India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar.